There's a huge update to the giveaway, you guys. Jeff from Eyecandy is adding a $150 gift card to the already existing $150 gift card from Promise Epoxy. The 2 gallons of UV Art Resin, the neon sample bundle, the epoxy resin cleaner, my swipe kit. Oh my goodness, that's $300, $400. That's a lot of stuff, you guys. If you haven't entered in the giveaway yet, go watch the pinned video right here. If you go to my profile, click my photo, it'll take you to all my videos. Watch the pinned video. That's gonna tell you guys how to enter. All you gotta do is follow us on YouTube and go to the MakerMind video, which is in my link tree, and go there, like it, say done after you followed us, and that is it, you guys. That is all you need to do. And we're gonna pick a winner. The giveaway runs until Thursday. We're gonna pick a winner on Friday. That is, I appreciate them for this. That is huge. And don't forget, somebody is gonna win the love over hate sign. Hold on, let me show you. This guy right here, get off there. Somebody is gonna win this too. There's gonna be 2 winners. You guys are going to be some lucky people. All right, you guys, go do it if you haven't done it already. Links are in my bio. Go do that. Also, if you want extra entries, tag somebody. Tag them so that way more people can see this. That's the point of all of this. Tag your people. Who would want to win something like this? Share the love. Get it out there. Tag your peoples, and that'll give you more entries in the giveaway. Good luck.